But yeah. So we're gonna go trick-or-treating. You know what? I'm gonna trick-or-treat for the rest of my life. I don't care how old I am. Right? Get candy? Oh, candy! Yeah. So, let's go wake him up.
You wake up Dada and I'll wake up Dada.
Say it's 4 o'clock.
And you wake up Mama.
4 o'clock. Jesus. What?
Excuse me.
4 o'clock.
Hi.
We getting ready to trick-or-treat, Ed?
She's so excited.
Are you excited? And you got your warm dog.
It's dark in here. Oh, I have to download this before I go. I only have a couple minutes of video left. You ready, Oh, please. Okay, we're about to go. Let's go. Okay, Emma, are we going to meet Jordan and Amber?
It's
trick-or-treat?
up.
Not yet. We still gotta drive. Here, let's go this way. Oh no, let's go this way. Can you tell we had a Halloween party last night?
I love it.
Yeah. Make sure to save those beer bottles. They're 5 cents per thing. Oh, please. Hey. Let's go.
Once you get around this.
Oh, I'm gonna beat you.
Oh, you just